Malik Multi Technologies Private Limited is situated in the industrial hub of Bangalore at Jigani Industrial Area, about 30 kilometers from Bangalore city. Established in the year 2011, Malik Multi Technologies has modern manufacturing facilities spread over 35,000 square feet of shop floor and office space. Malik Multi Technologies specializes in manufacturing wide variety of sheet metal components and electromechanical sub-assemblies to OEMs who are world leaders in elevators, automobiles, textile machines, HVAC equipment, pharmaceutical equipment, solar equipment, electrical power transmission, information and transaction kiosks, and so on. Malik Multi Technology has state-of-the-art machineries like CNC turret punching machines, which can even punch sheets up to 6 meters length, CNC bending machines, shearing machines, MIG and TIG welding machines, mechanical presses, surface grinding and DRO milling machines, hydro-pneumatic presses, and electromechanical assembly line. Malik Multi Technologies is awarded with certifications like ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14000 Environmental Management Systems.
Our focus is to manufacture high quality and high precision sheet metal components and mechanical sub-assemblies. We constantly strive to achieve total customer satisfaction, as our goal is to be a leader in this industry. We have been serving both international and domestic clients of high repute. Domestic customers can look at Malik Multi Technologies as a center for developing import substitute, wherein overseas customers can consider us as a manufacturing hub for producing their world-class products.
Malik Multi Technologies has expertise to weld thin sheets with special fixturing, besides design and manufacture of special fixtures for complex geometric shapes. Malik Multi Technologies also has the expertise in TIG welding of stainless steel and aluminium for wide range of applications. The exceptionally motivated team of over 150 personnel in the company are proficient in sheet metal fabrication, press tool design, electromechanical assemblies, and are led by well-qualified professionals. The management team supports and guides the workforce in all the functional areas. The exclusive product development team, often involved in developing complex and demanding sheet metal products, works in shifts round the clock to accelerate and meet speed-to-market demands. Our quality assurance and control team monitors and controls the product quality in various stages of manufacture. Statistical process control charts are used for controlling critical product quality characteristics. The human resource team takes care of the employees' welfare and training, enhancing efficiency in all areas.
At Malik Multi Technologies, we focus on manufacturing customer-centric sheet metal solutions of high standards. Over a period of time, we have gained our customers' confidence by developing complex sheet metal components and sub-assemblies with shorter lead times. Self-reliance on technological expertise and experience have given us immense opportunities to focus on value engineering, continuous upskilling of our workforce, and ability to meet different types of challenges.
We are happy to offer on-time delivery of high-quality products and above all, our abilities to develop complex sheet metal products of high standards. We look forward to being part of your continuous growth.